In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find missing private browsing button in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and basically by default, to turn on private browsing mode, we need to tap at that icon. That will show us all our open tabs, and if we drag this bar to the right to go left, at the very left position, normally we can find private browsing mode. However, now as you can see, this button is missing. Also, we can turn on private browsing mode if we hold down our finger at that button. And then also we'll be able to find private browsing mode somewhere right here. However, now that option here is missing too. If you got that issue, I have a solution for you. First off, you need to head over to settings. Let me show you from the beginning. So first off, head over to settings. Then go to screen time. Scroll down and tap at content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that option is enabled and then tap at content restrictions. It may ask you to enter your screen time passcode. Just enter it to continue, and once it is done, you will be taken to the content restrictions settings where you can easily find web content. That's where we need to ensure that any option except allowed websites is selected. I'm gonna select unrestricted. After that, it may take some time, about maybe 5 seconds, to apply the changes, and then we can close settings. Also, I recommend you to close Safari web browser and then open it up again. And then if we tap at that button, we'll be able to find the private browsing mode button over here. And also if we long press on this button, we'll be able to go to private browsing mode from that menu. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.